Hello everyone, welcome back. Want this? Seamless zoom and transition. Ready with your clips in After Effects, and make sure you have Sapphire plug installed. Search for Blurmo Curve Effect, and drag and drop this in first clip. Now add keyframe to Z distance. Make value 1 at beginning and 0.8 value at end of the clip. Select both of the keyframes and press F9 on keyboard to easy ease. It will make smooth flow of zoom. Now open Graph Editor and make exact graph like mine. While I am doing this, you guys please hit the like button, and if you are new here, please hit subscribe button. Here everything depend upon graph, so make this accurate. Perfect. This how seamless zoom and effect looks. Select both keyframes and select Blurmo Curve Effect and press Ctrl+C to copy it and paste the effect on second clip by pressing Ctrl+V. Adjust keyframes as per length of clip. Finally, it is ready. Now you can make this cool effect for your Instagram and TikTok edits. I know guys you watch the videos but forgets to like and share it. Please don't do this. Hit the like button to keep me motivated. See you in next tutorial video. Till then, bye bye.